Imagine crafting your own music from scratch without needing any technical skills. Welcome to Musick.ai, where generating custom music is as simple as describing your idea. Start by describing the song you envision and hit generate. In just moments, Musick.ai will produce song options based on your description. Each one is a unique creation that reflects your input. Preview each track.
Back when we had the world in our small twisted hands, running from the sunset, tracing. Back when we had the world in our small twisted hands, running from the sunset, tracing lines in the sand.
And choose the one that best fits your vision. Next, we are diving into custom mode. In custom mode, you can enter your own lyrics, music style, and give your song a title. Hit generate and watch as Musick.ai creates a track that's uniquely yours. Preview your custom songs.
I've walked these dusty roads alone, chasing dreams and fading lights. Every town I pass through is a whisper. I walk these dusty roads alone, chasing dreams and fading lights. Every town I pass through is a whisper in the night.
And if everything sounds perfect, simply click download to save your masterpiece. Whether you are seeking the perfect background track or simply enjoy experimenting with sound, Musick.ai makes it all possible. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.